Understanding, in simpler terms, a guide to clear communication. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrase in English, in simpler terms. This phrase is a key tool in communication, helping to make complex ideas more accessible. So, let's dive in and understand how and when to use it effectively. In simpler terms, is a phrase used to simplify a complex idea or explanation. When someone uses this phrase, they are signaling that they will rephrase what they just said in a way that is easier to understand. It's like saying, "Let me put this in a way that's easier to grasp." This phrase is incredibly helpful in teaching, explaining technical subjects, or in everyday conversations where clarity is essential. Examples in conversation. Technical explanation. The process involves a series of biochemical reactions. In simpler terms, it's like a factory line where each worker adds something to the product. In teaching, the law of gravity explains why objects fall towards the earth. In simpler terms, it's the reason why things don't float away into space. Key points. Use it when you sense your audience might not understand a complex explanation. Follow it with a more straightforward or familiar example or analogy. It shows empathy for the listener's level of understanding. Using "in simpler terms" is not just about simplification, it's about effective communication. It's important because it ensures understanding in diverse groups. It's a sign of good communication skills, helps in breaking down barriers caused by jargon or technical language. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "in simpler terms," and how you can use it to improve your communication skills. Remember, being clear and simple in your explanations doesn't mean the content is any less valuable. It means you're thoughtful about making your ideas accessible to everyone. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.